I've always had a keen passion about conservation and being in the outdoors. I've always loved the outdoors, but most certainly since I've been down at the Albatross Centre, my knowledge and passion for conservation has really gone to a high level. I'm Christopher McCormack. I'm the Operations Manager at the Royal Albatross Centre on the Otago Peninsula, Dunedin. My operations here is looking after a core staff that take care of the tours, looking after our key visitors that come down and see this iconic location, which is seeing the Northern Royal Albatross, the underground tunnel systems of Fort Taiaroa and the blue penguins Pukekora as well. Well, of course, the albatross is one of my favourite birds. Not the top one though, funny enough. The royal spoonbill is one of my favourite birds, but of course the albatross is right up there. There's only 22 species of albatross in the world. This is the world's only mainland breeding colony of the species, so it's a very iconic spot for Dunedin. So I'm working for a not-for-profit organisation, which is the Otago Peninsula Trust. So it's really heartfelt to see that the money generated from those that are joining our guided tours to see our iconic wildlife is being invested onto the Otago Peninsula. They've come to a place that is true of value to New Zealand and also Dunedin, that it's about pure passion and conservation. I've always loved the outdoors and did a diploma in outdoor leadership management and travel and tourism. And since I've done my courses, I've just taken a pure passion about conservation. I've had the chance of helping with the Department of Conservation with albatross supplement feeding, looking after our birds. And I've had the opportunity to go down to the remote subantarctic island, the Auckland Island, to tag and do a census work on the New Zealand sea lions. And it's been great to actually go up with them. It's good to relate that information to the public or the visitors that are taking our tour, so they have a bit more of a knowledge of the actual work that happens behind the scenes. But being able to be part of that, and even having my team being able to do that hands-on work with the albatross is an added bonus as well. I've grown my roots in Dunedin, absolutely love Dunedin. I can't foresee a future outside of the Royal Albatross Centre as of yet. I just absolutely love the place. I'm very lucky to have a position down here.